Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with, say what your name is.
Mayank.
And Mayank is going to have this little tutorial for page 6 and 7 in my first Piano Adventures lesson book. How to sit at the piano. So can you pull the piano bench out and let's see if you remember from last time. Oh, don't climb over the bench. Here, can you put your friends right here so they can watch? So we'll need both hands. Pull your bench out farther, please. Can you stand up again? Stand up. Pull your bench out farther. Don't climb over the bench. Come around the bench. There you go. Put your feet flat, right in front of the pedals. Not on the pedals, but on the floor. Scoot your bottom forward. Back tall. And now check your distance with the karate pose. Like Millie and Marta are doing. Can you do that? See how your elbows are bent? You're a little too close. So can you scoot your bench back a little farther? Scoot the bench backwards a little farther. Can you scoot this bench backwards? Just a little farther. Now scoot yourself forward on the bench a little bit. Now check your distance again. This looks great. So let's get your whole body. We have feet flat. So we have a square angle here at the ankle. And we have a square angle here at the knee. Square angle at the hip. Nice tall back. Knees under the keys. So if your knees didn't go under the keys, you'd be too far away. Or if your fists couldn't reach the fall board, too far away. And we only want to have our bottom on the bench, not our whole legs. Very good. Now can you sit up nice and tall and we'll check your posture with Clara Schumann cat?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Don't move a muscle. Sit up tall. Oh, can you sit up tall? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did it! You have perfect piano posture, Mayank. Good job. Can you give yourself 2 thumbs up in the camera? Look at the camera. Smile.
Cheese. Do we have a trumpet here?
We do have a trumpet here.